Yeah, hello everyone. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you how operating system works in your machines, how Linux are working and how Ubuntu are working. So why it is important. So I'm going to explain you in this today's lecture. So please watch the video till the end. So see here in Linux command it means command line interface. So Linux is an open source operating system which is created in 1991, which created Linus Torvalds. So you can see here it is open source as well as paid version. So you can see next there are different types of operating systems: Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc. Yes. So what are the features in the Linux? So you can see here Linux is open source. I already told you. It is secure. Virus will not attack on Linux server instead of Windows. So yes, that is very important. Third point is simplified updates for all softwares. We can easily update servers by using simple command, which is a lightweight. Performance is good. 1 GB Linux is equal to 50 GB Windows. You can see that that is very good advantage. It is a multi-users. Yes, Linux can access multiple users at a time. If you want to practice online, you can use this link. So how actually Linux works in your system? So first of all, one user pass some inputs to the virtual machines. Yes, I have give some command. I want to access something, so I will go to the virtual machines and command line interface. I will put some input. So what this input will go to the kernel. Kernel will active and it is going to the hardware. And hardware check what user pass and what user wants. So kernel give the update to the hardware and hardware will detect it and it will come back to the kernel and kernel again go to the users and tell yes that is you want. So actually that type of working happening in the operating systems. So that is why it is important. So when you are say your file manager and there are some different folders, but in virtual machines or in operating systems we can call for that folder directory. Folder it means directory in the operating systems. So there are different types of users in operating systems. So one is a root user. Root user means who can access everything, who is the main user. So in we call in our local laptop software, but in operating system terms it's called as packages. So you can see here I also show you how Windows operating system works. So this is definitely you see this seed or colon slash. So it is your root directory. Inside this root directory, there are some directories, program files, Windows, temp. These are the directories. And inside this there are some subdirectories. Yes, you can see here. There are different types of files. Root directory, users, temp, bin. I will tell you what is this. So you can see home directory for other users. So definitely in every laptops there are home directories. In every operating system there are home directories. Root directory it means I already told you main users or admin users who can access this. So yes, user is in everywhere. Definitely you see in your laptop user. So whatever you have installed. So first of all it is going to the users. Yes. Bin it contains command used by all users. Yes. So I think so today I'm going to show you practical how you can work on Ubuntu. Can start. In today's lecture, I am just giving you some commands, how you can work on it, how you can see the directory, which directory you are working right now, how to check the directory, how many files inside this directory. I will show you, so don't worry. You can click here, open the terminal. So you are on the command line interface. Yes, or on the terminal. So there are different commands, I already told you when you are working on your own, like this is the file manager, and you can see here there are some different directories. But when you are working on the operating systems, so how how should you know like in which directory you are working right now? So what is your present working directory? Then you can just put the command pwd. It means present working directory. So it will show you. So you are here home inside this home directory or in the Ubuntu directory. Yes, that is present working directory. So inside this Ubuntu directory, how many files and folders are present? So you want to see, then how you can see? You can see if you want to just see the folders, you can put ls list. So it will show you the all directories inside this Ubuntu. But if you want to see all files inside this Ubuntu, then you can put ls dot a. It will show you. You can see this file was hidden in ls. So dot cache dot bash rc. Those files were hidden. So if you want to go back inside home directory, then how you can go back? You can put the command change directory cd dot dot. So and right now you can check present working directory, present working directory. So you are right now in the home directory. You can see the how many folders, how many directories is available in home ls. So only one directory inside the home directory Ubuntu. Yes, how many files you can check? Yes, there is only one folder, not a files available in the home directory. So those are the simple basic commands. So we again going back to the Ubuntu. Yes, and right now those are the directories. I want to make another new directory. So how you can make, in your local laptop, you are manually you are creating the folders, but here you can create folder by using the CLI command line interface. So I am creating new directory mkdir, make directory means mkdir. This is the command mkdir, which what you can put the name of which directory you want to create. Now I want to create test directory, test. Yes, and put it. Then you can see it. Yes, test is successfully created here. You can go to the. So I think it is fine for today. So in the next lecture, I am going to show you how to make the files or how to add content inside these files, how to move the files from one directory to another directory, how to remove the files or directory. Yes, I will show you in practical implementation. So if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channels. So thank you guys.